Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix controller or gamepad not working in dispatch game. So here follow the fixes. The first fix is to enable Steam input. So open Steam, go to library, right click on dispatch game and then select properties. Now go to the controller tab and here select the disable Steam input first and then restart your game because changing require restart of the game. And after restarting your game, check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then again go to the properties, again go to controller tab and this time select enable Steam input and then restart the game and then check if your problem is solved or not. This fix has solved the issue for many players, so I hope this will work for you as well. Fix 2 is to press the Alt plus Enter keys. So try pressing the Alt plus Enter keys on your keyboard. This simple trick can sometimes help to fix the issue. Now check if the controller is working in dispatch or not. Fix 3. Disable third-party game controllers and unplug additional peripherals. Other peripherals on your PC like third-party game controllers or any plug peripherals such as USB devices, pen drive, mouse, keyboard or additional controllers, display, phone camera might conflict with the game. So remove such peripherals and then check if it fixes the problem or not. Fix 4 is to verify the integrity of game files. So open Steam, go to library, right click on dispatch game and then select properties. Now go to the install files tab, then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the verification has been done, then launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. And the last solution is to restart Steam or restart PC. So simply close the Steam by clicking on this arrow icon, then right click on Steam and then click on exit Steam. Then relaunch Steam and then check if your problem is solved or not. If that doesn't work, then simply restart your PC. And then once your PC restart, then you can launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. So these are some of the fixes that you can try to fix controller or gamepad not working in dispatch game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.